guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm so excited. Smartass and Sass for May just arrived. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so May's big box just arrived. They did send me this for review, so thank you so much for sending me your amazing box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys know this is my Smartass and Sass box. So in this video, I might be saying or showing more foul language than I do in others. So there's your disclaimer. Let's go ahead and dive in and see what's going to be in the May box. I'm so excited. And in case you're wondering, wait a minute, didn't you just do a Smartass and Sass? Yes, I did. Not even a week ago, I posted last month's box when the product finally arrived. We got it fashionably late, but better late than never. This month, it's on time, right on track like normal delivery. So yes, a few days later, now I have this month's box and I am not complaining. 2 in 1 month, I'm so excited. So let's go ahead and now see what's in May 2023. There was a spoiler that they put on their site that could be like a variety of, I think, 3 different designs. So I'm so curious to see which one I already see it. I already see it right there. So that's the inside of the box when you first open it up. So this month for May, it's Take No Shit is the theme. Take no shit anytime. May, June, July, any day of the month, any month of the year, take no shit, definitely. So let's go ahead and dive in. It says, fuck you very much. Yes, fuck you very much with a smile. All right, so May's theme, take no shit. This month, we're all about encouraging you to stand up for yourself, be bold, and take control of your life like a true boss. You don't have to take crap from anyone. Show the world that you're confident, fierce, and sick of their shit. Yes. So down in here, we'll go over each of the items. It will give us pricing. So if you do not know, Smartass and Sass now has 4 different levels when it comes to their box. They have different categories for you to choose what's budget friendly for you. So they have a shirt only, they have a small box, they have a box that comes with everything but no shirt, and then the big box that has everything and the shirt. So what I like to do is go through the shirt first in case you get the big box or you get the shirt only. That is the shirt that you will receive. Their shirts are always on Bella Canvas, soft unisex blended tees, and they go from extra small all the way up to 4XL in the unisex sizing. They are super soft, super comfortable, and that's pretty much all that I live in these days, except if I wear, you know, like a different little shirt every now and then. But this month, ooh, I love that color. It's like a periwinkle-ish kind of a blue. It's like a bluish purple, not like a blue, but there's a slight purple to that blue. It's super pretty. And it says, therapy isn't enough. I need to scream into the void. And it has a little flower right there. That is so cool. So again, this is the monthly shirt for this month, and it would be in the big box or the shirt only. And I love that. I absolutely love their shirts. They're so comfortable, and it's literally pretty much all that I wear these days. And I'm not complaining because I absolutely love them. Plus they have the snarky little sayings, the best designs, and of course, because it's made by Smartass and Sass. You can actually purchase individual items from their online shop. They have their shirts from past boxes and other shirts that were not in boxes that you can purchase directly from their shop, and 20 off. Sass will get you 20% off your first subscription box or their online shop. They have deals all the time. They even have an app now you can download where they'll have like exclusive deals and discounts in their app. I definitely downloaded their app. It's so neat to go through, and it's like user friendly. So you can definitely go and check that out. And their shirts in the subscription box are valued at $19.95. But again, you can purchase them. They're a little bit, like a couple dollars more on the site, but you get a locked in discounted rate if you do the subscription. For the $19.95 is the highest. If you prepay, it goes a little bit lower, but you can purchase them on their shop. So now let's go ahead and start with this guy right here that you got a little sneak peek of. Let me open it. Now this is the one that would have been one of 3 different designs, all the same brand, all the same price, just 3 different designs. It's a little plushie. It's got some beans in there. Pat the booty. It's got some beans in there, and it says, I baked you some shut the fuck up cakes. Yes, shut the fuck up cakes. Okay, so again, this would be one of 3. It looks like you would have had a dumpster fire, this little guy like I got, and then a tea bag down there. They're all valued for $17.99, and one of 3 sent at random would be inside the box and the big box. Snarky plush, one of 3. Need a dose of attitude in your life? These plushies have you covered. The cupcake tells it like it is. I baked you some shut the fuck up cakes. The teacup gives a stern warning with calm the hell down. And the dumpster fire reminds you, I'm fine. Everything is fine. Sarcasm never looked so cute. Each subscriber gets one of these sassy buddies. And again, all 3 are valued at $17.99, and this is by Punchkins. That is so cute. I just have to keep this away from Vienna because she's gonna look at this and think it's like her toy, and she's gonna try to take it. So I definitely have to keep this up high. See, she's looking at me like, ooh, is that mine? No, this one is mine. But I'm going to put this up here on top of my turtle tank. I have the It's Tuesday Somewhere that's by the same brand. So I'm gonna stick this one right there. That's not yours though. But they look so cute together. I love the blue. Out of all 3, I think this would have been the one that I would want the most, or like the dumpster fire one is so cute as well, but this would be my favorite out of the 3. So I'm so excited that this was a variety, but all 3 of them are absolutely amazing. So here you go. If you get this box, let me know which one you get in your box. That is so neat. If you missed other videos, starting last January, they started doing a limited edition Sharpie marker by Smartass Sass. And if you get this box, at the end of the year in December, you'd have the 12th to complete the set. If you miss some boxes, you can always purchase them while supplies last on their online shop. You can get them individually. So now this is month 5. So this is going to be my 5th one. In January, we also got this box I show you guys. So now down inside of here will be my first 4, and now here is 5. So I will add it to this box. And again, I'm so excited come December to have all 12 and complete this kit, which is so neat. So this month it is silver, and it says square up, shimmer, take no shit. That is so cool. And then they are like the little fine point tipped right there. Oh my gosh, that is so neat. But again, you can purchase the other ones on their site if you've missed them, or if you just want to grab some for yourself or collect them. But yeah, I like that. So this is valued at $4.95. And this would be in every single tier. So the shirt only, the small box, the box, and the big box would all get this Sharpie marker. Oh, and it says based on a poll in our subscriber only Facebook group. So if you are subscribed and you have a Facebook account, you can join their subscriber only page, and that's where they will ask questions, let you know, keep you in the loop of everything. So definitely if you are subscribe to that if you would like. But it does say based on a poll in our subscriber only Facebook group, this will be the first of 2 metallic Sharpies this year. So there will be one other one throughout this year, but this will be one of 2 of the metallic to add to that collection. That is so cool. Again, valued at $4.95. So up next, it looks like we have a necklace. It says no is a complete fucking sentence. And it says no, but it looks like a happy face. This is from Foxy Originals, and it's on a silver chain. This right here says by Foxy Originals. This would be in the small box, the box, and the big box. Want to make a statement without saying a word? This necklace with a smile and a big fat no says it all. Because after all, no is a complete fucking sentence, valued for $30. Yes, no is a complete fucking sentence. Nope. So there is that necklace, again, valued for $30. Ooh, now it looks like there's 2 different ones. It says Sassy Scents. It's an air freshener. Honey Peach is one, and Vanilla is the second one. And oh my gosh, these are super cute. They're like flipping off the middle finger, and it says take no shit on the one that is the honey peach, and the vanilla says do no harm, but it still has that middle finger up as well. That is so cute. I'm definitely gonna put one in my glove box and hang one from my review mirror. But it says middle finger air fresheners, a set of 2. These would be in the small box, the box, and the big box. Feeling a little fed up with the world? Let these middle finger air fresheners do the talking. Hang one up and watch as people take notice. It's the perfect way to say back off without uttering a word. Plus, with their powerful scents, you'll enjoy the sweet smell of victory as you flip the bird to bad odors. So go ahead, embrace your inner rebel and stick it to the man. Do no harm air freshener in vanilla. Take no shit air freshener in honey peach. Lasts for 7 to 10 days, and both of these, a set of 2, is valued at $9.95. That is so cool. I've never seen that before, but leave it up to Smartass and Sass to find the best products for us, you guys. Okay, so now let's go ahead and see what we have. It looks like we have a book in here. It says Badass Habits. Cultivate the awareness, boundaries, and daily upgrades you need to make them stick. You are a badass. #1 New York Times best-selling author. Put your badassery on autopilot. Use this easy to implement 21-day process to lock in success. Learn proven tools and tricks for anchoring in awesome new habits and for permanently banishing habits that need the old heave-ho. Master the art of setting healthy boundaries to keep you on track. So this right here would be in the small box, the box, and the big box. This is valued for $18. The first step in becoming a badass is cultivating habits that stick. This easy to digest book takes a deeper dive into our daily habits. So it's a step-by-step guide to kicking those nasty habits to the curb. You seriously got to read it. Again, valued for $18. And it's, yeah, literally a whole entire book. Bad habits to help us get into new good habits. So that is awesome. I'll definitely sit down and kind of read it here. I don't normally read books, but stuff like this, it's like for self-help or like to help you do things. I think I could kind of be a little more interested in that. So I will definitely start reading that and see what type of bad habits I can put to rest. But that is so cool. Again, $18. And then it looks like there's one item left in here, you guys, and it is a mug. It says, have the day you fucking deserve. It's plastic, and then it's written in pink. It does have a top like this with a slide. Does it? Yes. With the slide to close the hole or open the hole. And that is what the inside looks like. Again, it is all plastic. I have so many cups. I'll probably save this for one of you guys to enjoy, because if I put another cup in my cupboard, I'm going to have to take another cup out of my cupboard to replace it. I have no room. We so need a bigger house, let me tell you. So this right here is by Smartass and Sass, and it would be found in the box and the big box. So it says, have the day you fucking deserve tumbler. Let's face it, some mornings you wake up feeling like you're ready to take on the world. Other mornings, you just want to tell the world to fuck off. For those mornings, there's this tumbler with a message that's as bold as the design. It's the perfect way to start any day. Hand wash only. This is valued for $22.95. That is awesome. Every single month, you guys, they just knock out the best boxes with the best products, and that doesn't change. I am just so impressed with this box more and more every single month, and they're definitely doing the damn thing. So for this May box, a quick recap, you have this tumbler right here with a really cool little snarky saying. You have this book to help kick bad habits. You have one of 3 of the cutest little plushies that is just super, super adorable. You have a set of 2 of air fresheners that are the cutest things that are going to be hanging on my mirror. You have no necklace. You have a Sharpie, which is the limited edition to go with the set. And then if you get the big box or the shirt only, you have this shirt. Okay, you guys. So now that is everything for the May box. Again, I think they just knocked it out of the park, 120,000% like always. And if you want to know what next month's theme is, it says One Hot Mother, because definitely in June, holy moly, it is already almost 100 degrees outside here, and it is so humid. Like yesterday, I brought in, I think like 15 bags of sand. Most of them were 60 pounds. The others were 50 pounds each. Either way, because I went to 2 different locations. But just bringing those in or just putting them in my cart in the store, I was just like dripping sweat. I'm like, oh my gosh, I hate this humidity. I just hate being hot and uncomfortable, but I can't do anything about it with Mother Nature out here. So yes, you guys comment down below and let me know, what did you think of the items that they put in this box? What do you think of Smartass and Sass? Definitely let me know down below. If you want a little bit more information about them, I will let you know right about now. Again, they do have the 4 different levels, and I will get into each of the pricing. I did go through and tell you which is in which one, so then you can kind of know what would be in each box if you were wondering, like small, medium to large, what would be in it. And then again, they do have the code 20OFF-SASS to save you 20% off their shop or your very first subscription box that you order. So the shirt only is $19.95 per month. If you go to 3 months, it'll bring it down to $18.95, and a 6-month plan will bring that down to $17.95 per month. And again, they are the soft blended unisex tees, extra small all the way to 4XL. Then you have the small box. That one you'll get 3 to 4 full-size items. It's only available in month per month. They don't have a 3 or 6 month plan just yet. It's just month per month, but you can cancel at any time. That one is only $21.95. Then there is the box. You get all of the goods inside, just no shirt. All of the products, no shirt. That one is $39.95 month per month, $38.95 for 3 months, and $37.95 if you do a 6-month plan. That'll bring your box price down per month. And you will get 6 to 7 full-size products. Or you can go to the big box like they send me. You get the whole enchilada, all of the products, and the amazing shirt. And this one is $54.95 month per month, $52.95 if you do a 3-month plan. And if you go to a 6-month plan, it brings it down to $50.95. Again, you do get to pick the size shirt for that one, and it's extra small to 4XL, and shipping is in addition to all of those plans. So now that is everything that I have to say and show for this particular box. Again, comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.